Guys, Minecraft, but if I get hurt, change will game. Oh, I spawn again in ice, bruh. So let's walk. So guys, BTW, my vid got blow up. So I got 3K views. So thank you guys, thank you. Wait, what the heck? Bro, it's 3, bro. So change game. So this is a copy of the Flappy Bird game. So watch it.